Hello, welcome to the random fact. So, fact number 1, over 3.8 billion people use the internet today, which is 40% of the world population. Means 8 out of 10 people are using internet daily. Is it possible? Let's think about that. Fact number 2, more than 570 new websites are created every minute. Means after you complete this video, 2 websites are already created. Fact number 3, did you know which is the first photo on World Wide Web, shortly known as www? So this is the first photo on the World Wide Web. This is the first photo ever posted on the World Wide Web and it is over 20 years old. The image comes from CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, the same organization that famously discovered the Higgs boson particle. Fact number 4, the computer used in the Apollo 11 trip to the moon has less processing power than a modern day cell phone. Means our phone are powerful than Apollo 11 computer at that time, not now. Fact number 5, did you know around the year 1500, Leonardo da Vinci, one of the famous painter, sketched plan for a robot. At that time, he think of a robot that great.